Hi, ukulele friends. Today on my vlog, the vlog every day in August that I'm doing, we're going to look at Patreon. Many of you are supporters of mine on Patreon, but in case you're wondering what Patreon is, I'm going to do some more generic things in this video. We're going to take a look at what Patreon does, how you can support creators like myself on Patreon, how you can do things like edit your membership, join a different tier, find creators even. So those are the things that we're going to be diving into. And to everybody that is my patron already, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. So in a nutshell, Patreon is a platform that crowdfunds creators like me, and you get to target exactly who you want and pay them pretty much exactly what you want as well. Although many patrons have these tiers, which are reward levels, and they spell out what you're going to get if you support them at that tier. There are very many successful people on Patreon that make a living at it. I'm not there yet, but I support other creators, so let's dive in. Let's see what we can learn. All right, so in order to get to my creator page on Patreon, it's patreon.com/theukulelefool. And one of the things you see is what you get when you join to support somebody. And so even at $1 a month, I'm working on my next goal, which is going to be giving, I've got a music therapist that I've partnered with, and we just need to check and make sure that Bluegrass, the Bluegrass Center for Autism, I think is where she works, that they're going to really want to house ukuleles there, make sure that that's all in place, and then I'm going to put my next goal of giving them X number of ukuleles based on their needs, because that was something that my patrons voted on. So they said, here's what we want to do for our next goal, because in July we finished up our last goal and we donated 5 ukuleles to the Ukulele Project Hawaii. And they went to a domestic shelter for women and kids. So even at $1 a month, you can join. And so $3 a month, you get the New to Uke series, so you get my curriculum for starting out as a brand new beginner. Then if you've been playing for about a year, the $6 one is really nice because they're live group lessons. This coming Saturday, we'll be doing the live lesson, and they've already gotten their chord charts and draft. They've gotten some pre-videos that are only available to Patreon. They're not on YouTube for the public to see. And we're going to be working through 3 John Prine songs. And then my $9 tier is sold out, and probably need to create a higher level tier. So let's say you're joining at the $3 a month. And you would click join, and you could sign up. I'll go ahead and sign up with Google and see what happens. And I want to change my account because I'm already, oops, it just did it with that account. Well, let's see what happens. Please consider me. Okay, so I guess not. So I have to peer around here. United States. Select your state. Alaska 99709 and submit. Okay. And then you put in your card information and all that kind of stuff, and you would get charged from that day, and then you would charge you again on the 1st of September. But what I do then is as soon as I get notification, well, not when I'm asleep and things like that, but when I see that I've gotten a new patron, I reach out to them via an email, kind of welcome them to the scene, tell them they can introduce themselves to the site, all that kind of stuff. So this is what you would do. You can even edit the amount that you want to give. So let's see if I can do this. Right here. Minimum price for this tier is $3, but if you wanted to chip in, what if you wanted to make it, sure, make it $50, $5. You could do that right there, choose what you have to pay, do all the stuff, enter it, and hit accept. That's pretty easy. Now, Patreon deals with all the money from patrons, and then I get one lump check, as do all the other creators. So let me just show you how you can do things like up memberships. I need to up a membership, and I'm going to support somebody new. So I'm going to zip on to my site, and I'll show you how that's done. All right, so this is what I see when I go to my page, and I want to find a creator. So I'm going to go EMK Fit. She does workout stuff. She's doing very well on Patreon. Part of it is she can absolutely make no revenue on YouTube. So I want to support her, and I'm just going to go do that crowdfunding thing. Start at $3 a month, complete your payment, confirm. Luckily I'm all set, so I've already have that entered in. Hopefully this is going to go well. And boom! Benefit details also sent in an email, and access to post, direct message. I'm going to send her a message on Patreon. Oops, down here. Hi, Emily. I love your workouts, and I am filming this right now for my YouTube channel. Can't spell. Okay. Thanks so much for your super fun workouts. Send. You know, sometimes when you're just talking in a camera all the time, this is kind of important. So that's how you support somebody on Patreon. It's as easy as that. And then it'll happen monthly, you know, so make sure your credit card's updated. And so now let me find one of my creators that I do. Let's find Ukulele. There he is. And I support him, and I want to, things have changed on his channel, and I want to up my support. So to do that, I click my membership. Now you can cancel at any time on Patreon too. And you know, if I find that I'm not using somebody's stuff, or access your membership, come on. My benefits. Okay, it was already showing up here. So that's my current tier. I want to bump up my thing. So frequently you have to do show more tiers. And I want to move up to the $6 per month, because I want his monthly song books are really good. And I can get all the old ones too. So I'm going to join the $6 tier. Bada bing, bada boom. Just like that. And so in US dollars, I have a credit. Yep, here we go. Update. You can also cancel your membership at any time using that membership tab. It's super simple. So you can just put it on autopilot if it's somebody that you really, you know, think that you're going to enjoy. And so here's my welcome statement. And I have already downloaded that one. It's very good. So that is what you do on Patreon. So let me stress to you, the importance of Patreon is, first of all, you are directly supporting people. And, you know, even though I'm a creator on YouTube, let me tell you, I don't make much money on YouTube. And in fact, I'm thinking of pulling off all my ads because it's just not worth it. And I'm getting so irritated by all the ads too. I watch a lot of creators on YouTube, and although I heard a rumor that they actually get paid more if you're a premium YouTube member, so I might look into that. Anyway, that's Patreon. It's a way lots of people can get together at small amounts and actually, you know, create an income for these people. And some of them make fabulous incomes. Many creators like Amanda Palmer, who I also support, broke all ties with record companies. And so the Patreon has given her the freedom to do that. And she has thousands of, I want to say tens of thousands of supporters. And she has a team that helps run her Patreon site and gets stuff out. So it's really, it has been given so many creative type of people so much freedom. And there's so many things, everything from quilting and sewing and art and comedy and videos, you name it. It's out there. Dealing with autistic children. They even have a channel with that. So there you go. I hope you've enjoyed today's VEDA, which is vlog every day in August. Make sure to leave a comment down below. Who do you support on Patreon? Give us a thumbs up. See you tomorrow.